Test link will be given later. It will be after the valedictory. Right now, those who are not yet filled the Google form. So for feedback, please fill it. The link is there here.
Are you sending a picture?
Sir, at what time you are sending the test link, sir?
Good afternoon and warm greetings to one and all. I, Soumya Ji, would like to invite you all for the valedictory ceremony of this program. Henry Ford once said, "Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young." Indeed, this 1 week of online workshop on artificial intelligence and conceptualization of algorithms using Python has made us feel young to learn more and explore more. On the first note, I request Dr. K.M. Rupa, who is the main navigator of this program, to give this valedictory address.
Thank you, Soumya. Good afternoon, everybody. I wish to inform that the 5-day online FTP sanctioned by ACT Atal to our institute has been successfully organized with the encouragement and support provided by our respected principal, Dr. Ashwath M. Sir, this program was attended by about 140 participants on all 5 days. Distinguished speakers from various premier organizations and institutions gave a presentation covering on various aspects on the theme of artificial intelligence and conceptualization of algorithms using Python. A special effort was made to cover hands-on training wherever possible. As a coordinator of this program, my special thanks to ACT Atal for having provided this opportunity to organize FTP on the important theme on artificial intelligence. My sincere thanks to all the participants. It was a great opportunity for me to interact with you all. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Madam, for such detailed summary of the entire program. The key of success of a leadership is to influence. Bangalore Institute of Technology is blessed to have one such influencer, our principal, Dr. M.U. Ashwath, who walks with the team and learns with the team. May I request Dr. M.U. Ashwath, sir, to address the gathering. Sir, you're not audible.
Sorry. Good afternoon. I was just telling, looking at the chat box, all the participants are very eager to write the online exam for the certification purpose. Thank you. I will not take much time. I was just mentioning that AICTE is taking a lot of initiatives for the faculty development programs and also the teaching learning process for the students. So if you open the AICTE web portal, a lot of programs are there, including the scholarships, the faculty development programs, the competitions, project exhibitions, hackathons. So many programs have been lined up by Atal and AICTE. On behalf of Bangalore Institute of Technology and all the participants, I would like to thank AICTE for all the encouragement given to all the institutions. So the last 3-4 years, lot of changes have been taking place in the curriculum development, where the most focused area is faculty development. And in fact, the chairman AICTE keeps on addressing all the principals and vice chancellors at many occasions that faculty is the core strength of any organization. And if faculty is good, then automatically the students will be good and employability ratio will be increasing. So keeping all this in mind, I thank the organizers of this 5-day 1 week faculty development program on artificial intelligence and conceptualization of algorithms using Python. I'm sure all the participants would have got a lot of value addition and definitely you are going to make use of this in your teaching learning process. I wish all of you all the best, and I wish all of you will clear the online test, which is mandatory for getting the certificate. And Rupa and Dr. Rupa and his team have been coordinating this for quite a long time, organizing all the subject experts and other things. Thank you very much from my side and BIT and RVS side. I thank all of you. And I wish you will organize more and more such faculty development programs, which will definitely help the education system to move forward. Thank you very much, and over to you, madam.
Thank you, sir, for these wonderful words. Information sharing produces shared awareness, but collective actions creates shared responsibilities. In this one-week workshop, we have collaborated ourselves in sharing and learning of new areas. May I request few of the participants to give their reflections on this workshop and help us to improve ourselves through your feedback. I request any of few participants voluntarily to give your feedback so that it would really help us for our next workshop to improve ourselves. I think Shabana ma'am can come up and give your feedback. We would really be happy, ma'am.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to everyone, and I want to congratulate the entire team of CIT. It's a great learning experience for me. You know, I wish I could have joined the institution in person. I wanted to meet you all. I wish to meet you all. Still, I wish to meet you all because everybody is so learned. Everybody is so experienced. I wish to learn from you in person. Other than that, virtually, this was a great experience of learning. I enjoyed thoroughly. I wanted more from you people. But I'm sure, you know, the kind of material that you have provided me, I did every participant, everybody will be benefited in research as well as in, you know, because I am in the profession of teaching. So it's in profession of teaching as well as teaching. So I'm really thankful from the core of my heart to the entire team. Rupa ma'am has always, I mean, she has been calling me, she's been messaging me personally as well as in when I got decided. You know, she said, you know, don't worry about this action. We will send you all the stuff to you so that you can practice at home. So I'm just blessed to be here and, you know, talk to you people and then know you people virtually. And I wish to meet you all in person and learn from you, work with you in collaboration, and be friends with you in future for all of my life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for such nice feedback what you gave. Hopefully, if we would have our next offline session, please do come and join us. Thanks a lot, ma'am. I request any other.
Thank you.
Any other participants?
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Rashmi. Basically, this 5-day workshop has enriched us to a great extent. I would say all the professors have been really patient with us. They gave us an hands-on experience wherein they were so patient that they were even waiting for us to give it a try during these sessions. So I really appreciate their patience. Also, I would say that the workshop has led us to the next level wherein we can try and learn more, wherein which we could have never learned in case we would have done any sort of workshop for a day or two. So it was an extensive program which really helped us a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rashmi ma'am. Thanks a lot. Any other feedback so that we can, your suggestions so that we can improve with our next workshops. I request any gents faculty to come up and give us your feedback.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, please.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for the opportunity given. Thank you, ma'am. I am Professor Krishnananda from Government SKS JTI Bangalore, faculty in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Rupa, ma'am, first of all, very much thankful to you and your team for organizing a very good workshop. And very sincerely, you have been posting all the materials and YouTube videos and everything for us to go through that. But of course, I couldn't attend 2-3 sessions due to our 8th semester projects and seminars and other things. Otherwise, the entire the content was very so good, ma'am. And you have chosen like Uttam Kumar sir from IITB and all others. You have chosen very good expertise members for this FDP. It was really wonderfully conducted, and you have taken a lot of pain to even answer our questions, queries, so many things on the group, everything. So thanks to you and your team, ma'am. Thanks to BIT, all the staff members and others who have helped you to do this. And thank you for the opportunity. Please conduct one more on probability and statistics, ma'am, which will be helpful for engineering faculties.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Definitely we are conducting.
Yeah, good evening all. So this is Yuvraj from Sona College of Technology, Salem, Tamil Nadu. So really I enjoyed all the sessions. All the sessions were excellent. And a few of the sessions were I enjoyed a lot. So my only suggestion is if the hands-on would have been parallelly say conducted, it will be even better for us. Because we are from mechanical, we are trying to start the things from the scratch itself. And also I thank all the team members as well as especially the coordinator to get the say materials as well as the codes.
The entire rotation
Resource
will
person.
take
Thank you,
place
ma'am.
in 50
Thank you all.
seconds.
Sir, we would seriously take your suggestion, what was given by you. For the next workshop, when we would conduct, we would really think about it. Thanks a lot, Yuvraj, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else who want to give us the feedback?
The end of the byte and the end of the main program.
Anurag, do you want to share a few words with us?
Madam, I am Sumay Bhattacharya.
Yes, sir. Yes.
From West Bengal. As a beginner, this is my first FDP, not only the first FDP, this is the first experience that I learned something as a beginner. And I request to you, if you organize again such kind of FDP, so please mail of us. We will attend again. Thank you so much, madam. Very nice.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. So thank you for those sincere suggestions and appreciation from all the participants. And there are a few of them who are really putting their suggestions, feedback even in the chat box.
Hello, ma'am.
Everyone. Sir, please continue. Yeah.
Ma'am, I am also from Bengal, Kolkata. So I want to say at least one sentence that this is excellent, and excellent.
Thanks a lot,
Last
sir.
year, I have attended at least 3 to 4 FDP from Atal. Those are also good, but this one is excellent. And again, just like my previous speaker, what he told, I am telling the same thing, that if you organize this type of session again, this type of program again, and with these resource persons, I will again I can assure you that I will attend it. Excellent.
Thanks a lot, Suhodeep, sir. There are many of them as we see, in the chat box, like Sai Lakshmi, Seema, Saumya, Shashikala, Kumla, Balkrishna, Priyanka. Thanks for your feedback and the appreciation. We would take this up seriously, and Yes, ma'am. I think someone wanted to talk.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Dr. Bhargavi MS.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. I belong to the same institution, Bangalore Institute of Technology. I must add here that the FTP was very well organized. Every session was very informative. All resource persons were knowledgeable about their share of the topics and presented them at their very best. I thank Rupa ma'am, the FTP coordinator, and the entire organizing team for all the efforts in organizing such a wonderful FTP. Thanks for a great learning experience. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. As I've told you, it's going on in the chat box. Thanks, everyone. Thank you for those sincere suggestions and appreciation. It's indeed lifts our motivation levels to do such work. And we would seriously take for the next workshop with whatever suggestions were given by you people.
Can I say a few words?
Yes, sir, please.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Balkrishna from BIT. With knowledge of C programming, I was interested to participate in this FDP, and all the sessions were informative, and I learned Python is independent of all the languages. With knowledge of programming language, we can learn better, and all the sessions were really good. All the resource persons gave their best, and I thank Dr. Rupa, head of the department mathematics, for the hard work and effort in making this FTP grand success. The material provided is really good. Thank you very much once again. Thanks all the organizing team members.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Professor Rupa, you are getting a good feedback from all the participants. Congratulations, and I'm sure this will motivate you to organize more and more programs. Dr. Bhargavi, in fact, she has conducted the earlier Atal program, and she is also having a prize for your team. And please convey my regards to all the team members. I would like to mention at this point of time to all the participants from other colleges and other places that BIT is a very old engineering college with 40 plus years of service in education, and we have latest facilities, infrastructure, everything, and we are open for any collaborative research, collaborative consultancy, and project works that if you are interested, you can join with us and conduct the programs and organize the activities. And we are always open. And even if you are, if you want to use any facilities of BIT for your research and other activities, we are open, and we will extend all the support to all the researchers and students. You can come to our campus and make use of the facilities available with us. Thank you very much, and over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for those wonderful words once again. A program without a thank you note is like gifting an article without its cover. May I now invite A.L. Uma, Assistant Professor of Department of Mathematics, Bangalore Institute of Technology, to give vote of thanks for this valedictory program.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Uma, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Bangalore Institute of Technology, Bangalore. I'm privileged to propose vote of thanks for this excellent learning program, faculty development program on artificial intelligence and conceptualization of algorithms using Python, sponsored by AICTE Atal. Firstly, the support and the sponsorship given by AICTE Atal has to be praised. We, the Department of Mathematics, heartfully thank AICTE for all the support given to organize this faculty development program. Thank you, AICTE. I now thank our Honorable Administrator, Raja Okkaligara Sangha, Karigowda IAS, for all the support given to organize this faculty development program. Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure to thank our beloved principal, Dr. M.U. Ashwath sir, for all the support he has given from the scratch to organize this FTP. So not only this FTP, all the programs whichever we do from the Department of Mathematics has been praised and encouraged by our beloved principal. So it's my pleasure to thank him again. Thank you, sir. So I would like to thank again our eminent speakers for bringing their expertise and experience around the table and engaging in such fruitful, constructive and open exchanges throughout the 5 days of this faculty development program. So thank you all the eminent speakers. I would like to thank Dr. K.M. Rupa, Chief Coordinator of this faculty development program, also Professor and Head Department of Mathematics, for organizing such an informative faculty development program, which is really helpful for all of us who are in teaching field, especially the research scholars. So thank you so much, ma'am, for organizing this faculty development program on behalf of participants. Last but not least, this FDP has been a successful event because of our enthusiastic and interactive participants. I thank you all for your presence in all 5 days and being interactive, learning things from our eminent speaker. So we expect the same in future to collaborate with BIT and to participate in all the events which have been organized by Bangalore Institute of Technology. Thank you, dear participants.
Thank you, Uma. Now, ending up with a valedictory function, we are going to have a test to our participants. Before starting with the test what everyone have to take over here, there are few instructions. May I now call upon Dr. Dhananjay, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Bangalore Institute of Technology, to please give the instructions for the participants regarding the test which you have to take right now.
Good afternoon, everyone. Test will be conducted through Google Form and link will be active till 4 p.m. There will be 30 MCQs and each question carries 1 mark. Check your answers before submitting the response. As the response is limited to only 1. And scoring 60 marks is must to get your certificate along with 80% of attendance. And one important thing is immediately after submitting your answers, so please fill the feedback in the ACT portal. So it is must to get your certificate. Okay, please let me repeat again. After the test, please fill the feedback form in the ACT portal. It is must to get your certificate. And I'm just posting the link now. So please.
Sorry, is it required to wait for that if we have already filled the
All the best for your test.
Hello?
I'm sharing the link even in WhatsApp. So in the WebEx it is there now. I'm doing it even in WhatsApp.
Sir, I have a query here. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Madam, we filled the feedback in ACT also. Is it a problem?
No, sir. Basically, I am also one of the participant here. I just want to ask, before this session, we have already got a feedback form, so we have filled it. So, is there any other feedback form that we need to fill?
It's about the feedback form in the Atal FDP login. There is a feedback for this FDP. You have to fill that. The feedback what you have filled is for BIT program. Log into FDP, Atal FDP, and fill the feedback after the test.
Okay. Thank you.